Are you looking for a reliable partner for maintenance of your medical equipment? At Surgery Center Maintenance, you'll find a trusted partner in maintaining all modalities of medical equipment with an emphasis on anesthesia and surgery support equipment. We also have the team of experienced technicians with expertise in all brands of medical, scientific laboratory, medical imaging, biomedical equipment, and support systems. And we provide a comprehensive range of services, including medical equipment repair, installation, calibration, preventive maintenance, and electrical safety inspections. At Surgery Center Maintenance, we understand the importance of reliable medical equipment in providing safe and effective patient care. That's why we offer customized preventive maintenance plans to minimize downtime and extend the life of your equipment. We are proud to perform medical equipment field service operations on behalf of medical equipment manufacturers specializing in surgical center equipment and support systems. A team of professionals is available 24/7 to provide emergency services, and we offer national service coverage to ensure that you receive the same high-quality service no matter where your medical equipment is located. In addition to our standard services, we also perform annual testing and recertification of isolated power systems and line isolation monitors. These services are essential for the safety of your patients and staff, and we take them very seriously. So if you're in need for a reliable partner to help you maintain your anesthesia and surgery support equipment, look no further than Surgery Center Maintenance. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help you meet your maintenance needs.